Today, we're making our absolute favorite thing to make in bulk, and that's tomato sauce. Now, we're not talking just a little bit of tomato sauce. We're gonna make a ton, and then we're gonna can it, and then we'll have homemade tomato sauce for the next 6 months. You're not gonna wanna miss it because this sauce is amazing. So let's get started.
Start by dicing your onions into small pieces. Seriously, how do people do this without crying? Add a little bit of olive oil into a large pot, followed by your onions. While you let them begin to sweat, start mincing your garlic. In our family, garlic is something that you measure with your heart, so feel free to put in extra. Add salt and pepper. While the onions and garlic are cooking, we'll begin to prep the tomatoes. We're using whole, Cento, peeled San Marzano tomatoes for our sauce. We've tried other options, and trust me, these are the best. Since the tomatoes are whole, you'll need to crush them by hand. It looks gross, and it is, but it's also super fun. Once the tomatoes look like this, you're good to go. Add the crushed tomato to your onions, and don't forget about the can. Add a little bit of water to get out the last bit of tomato, and then add it in. Next, we'll add our spices: Italian seasoning, thyme, and crushed red pepper. Mix together and allow to simmer for 1 to 4 hours. The longer it simmers, the better it'll be. After a while, you can go ahead and add some sugar. This will cut the acidity and create real nice balance.
All right, let's give it a taste. Oh my gosh, this is so good. It's the perfect sauce for spaghetti or eggs or dipping. Ugh, this is so good. You have to try it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this kind of content, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more how-tos from our How To Home. See you guys later.